Hello guys, this is Eric from Acme Laser. We are a factory manufacturer production laser cutting machine. About the coronavirus problem in China, the situation is getting better and better. In our city, it's more than 20 days, no people get infected. So now more than 80% company has go back to work. But we has been asked everybody need to wear a mask on face to protection ourselves and protection the people around us. And we also need to report our healthy situation every day. I will show you how we do it before we get into our working building. So this is an app on mobile phone. Every day before we get into the working building, we need to report our healthy situation and submit. So after that, we can get a QR code. So it shows where we work and where our office is. So we use this code and scan it before we get the building. So after the procedure, now I'm in the working building. We can go into the office.